Hello guys, good morning. It's me again, Pinay Girl, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video guys, we are going to Swikwelme Falls. So as you can see, ready na po yung husband ko. Pupunta po kami ngayon sa ibang falls. Kahapon ay nag-vlog po kami ng waterfalls rin, pero iba po yun. Ito naman ay best attraction din dito sa Washington guys. Kaya first time namin din pupunta ngayon. So, honey, you ready?
Yep, let's go.
Let's go! So, ready na nga yung husband ko at ako din. Ready na din ako, naka-outfit check na din pang hike. Di ko alam kung maganda itong outfit ko para akong pupunta sa albularyo. Pero gusto ko yung mga outfit na ganito, mga loose guys, kasi mag-hike tayo. And then, yung husband ko nasa labas na no, at hinihintay na si Pinay Girl kasi 1 hour na naman kami mag-hike. Kaya more on nature kami guys, at titingnan natin doon kung ano nga ba ang meron sa Swikwelme Falls. Honey,
Yes,
are you excited about our next trip?
yes, getting out the house.
Yeah, let's go, 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 go! Sana maganda ang weather today kasi nga kahapon umuulan. And hopefully this time hindi na kami uulanin kasi kapag umuulan malamig. So hindi kakayanin ko maglakad ng sobrang lamig guys. Kaya yes. Yeah. Hello! Dito muna kami huminto. Nagpagas pa yung husband ko. Hindi pwede na, hindi tayo magpagas kasi pag pupunta ng nature, kailangan handa at full tank yung sasakyan, no? Dahil somewhere nowhere ang pupuntahan, walang mas malapit na mga gas station. So all the time ay nagpo-full tank kami ng aking husband, make it sure na hindi maubusan ng gasolina. Yun lang ang gastos pag pupunta ka ng nature, hindi as in magasto dahil meron kaming pagkain dala at hindi na kailangan kumain pa sa malapit na restaurant. So, let's cook and bring it to the nature.
My wife does some beautiful cooking, and then she packs a bag to go. So when we get done on our hike or our trip, we come back to the car and we eat some good Filipino food, guys.
Oh yeah.
I mean,
thank
it
you.
is.
I'm so proud being Filipina. Okay, I know.
And then after that, we eat some good food, and then we get in the car for a long drive back home. That's our plan for this weekend.
This weekend. More nature, and what do you think? How many hours when we get there?
Well, it's nature and sightseeing. So we're doing sightseeing today. The other day we did a hike in Nitron Woods. So we do a little bit of different things when the day comes up that we start.
Okay. Look at my face. Look so ugly.
No, you're...
Sobrang pangit ko pag kaharap yung camera. Ito talaga yung kalaban ko guys. Okay. Pagdating namin dito, after 1 hour and 30 minutes, makikita mo agad na halos puno ng mga sasakyan ang parking area. Kasi nga ito ay dinarayo ng mga tao. Isa din itong famous tourist spot dito sa Washington. Hi again! Kakarating lang po namin ni Habi dito sa Swikwelme Falls Park. Ang daming tao dito guys. At grabe, weekend po kasi, basta weekend ay yung mga tao lalabas talaga ng bahay dahil walang trabaho. Sunday ngayon maraming tao, yung husband ko ay nandun, nagbayad po siya ng free parking. So hinihintay ko siya dito para diretso na kami.
This is the map of the park. We're here. And there's a walking trail to see nature and go to the upper parking lot.
Dating mo dito, diretso ka sa upper park, no? At dito mo makikita ang viewing point. Kaya yung mga tao dumiretso agad dito kasi nga best attraction ito para sa kanila.
Everybody has to visit when you come to Washington State, USA.
Okay. So popular.
Wow, hon.
That's so nice. Kaya pala ang daming tao dito kasi dito ang overlooking
Yes, overlooking the
Yeah. Daming
falls.
tao.
The waterfall is not just for beauty; it's for making power and electricity also to supply to different houses.
Yeah.
We're going along the trail that they have, the pathway where all the people go to see the different viewpoints of the park and the falls. There's different views we can go to. That's part of the adventure of coming here
Yeah.
to find the best place, the best view. So far, this top of my list is one of the top views. Water. Let's go.
Let's keep going, guys. Walk. Ito kami sa bridge, dumaan. Kasi dito lahat ng mga tao dumadaan pagkatapos nila doon sa overlooking waterfalls. So here we go. Mula na kami maglalakad papasok sa lower park. Kanina yun po ang upper lower ng pointing view, overlooking. Kaya kapag pababa ka ng pababa, makikita mo lalo ang waterfalls, no? Kung gusto mong makita ng malapitan ang waterfalls, kailangan mo maglakad dito papunta sa pinakababa, no? At dun mo makikita lalo ang kagandahan ng waterfalls. Annie, what can you say about this place?
Is that as we go down through the trail and the different pathways of this beautiful nature, that we get farther and farther away from the falls towards the bottom. But it's a nice park. Work our way to the bottom and explore some more and let you guys see how fun it is to come experience a place like this in the Northwest.
Yeah.
Get the white view, the mountain.
Iwas stress. Ang ganda dito. Sobrang ganda ng view. Nakakaganda dito. Yes. So I look beautiful with the view.
Yeah, very beautiful, guys.
The gangster.
The gangster of nature. See, it's a perfect weather today. Yesterday was cold and rainy. Today is just perfect. Okay, guys.
Honey, let's go.
What?
Let's keep walking.
Oh yeah, go on the drive.
Dito naman tayo sa lower park. So, kailangan namin sabi maglalakad. Takes 1 hour walking.
No, it's not 1 hour.
How many? 30
Maybe
minutes.
30
Could be.
minutes.
Hey, kiddo.
Could be 30 minutes walking,
Don't
guys.
go too far.
Depends how we fast.
Get to like the turn, just wait for it.
But my legs is heavy, so I can't walk
Is that lake area?
fast. Is your legs heavy?
Nope.
But my butt heavy.
Yep.
And there's like a lot of people there.
On
See,
the
you're
trail.
over there. And then
It's
this
a
one.
trail, walk one.
Yeah, we should have started at the bottom.
Oh.
Yeah.
Made the mistake on starting at
Might
the
be
top.
help with our belly.
Yeah. This is exercise, good, healthy.
Exercise, guys.
That's the great thing about nature is you get out in nature. Oh, hun, are you in the trees?
Let's keep walking.
See, in the trees of nature.
Falls viewing point, river access. Yeah, let's get going, hon. More walk.
Hun,
What that?
this is how they made the tunnels. The
Oh,
metal pipes
yeah.
to funnel the water down to the power plant. Because we are now at the power plant.
Power.
The water power.
Oh.
See the tunnels?
Mm-hmm.
This
Oh,
is
I
how they
see.
were made.
Here.
That's yep here. See, big rivet. Look, who's that? Dave. Where's your name, honey? You gonna put your name on there? All comes down the pipes.
The water.
The water comes there. Goes through the turbine.
Goes
Goes
there.
The metal thing is a turbine. The
Okay.
metal thing.
Yeah.
You have a problem.
I have a couple times already. There's a lot of people.
Wow. You can go down farther, huh? You're walking all the way down, hon?
Okay.
Lots of ways to get to the bottom.
Boardwalk. Parang sa amin lang, honey. Same thing.
Down and down and down. Oh, fun.
Lower
Maybe we made
part.
it to the bottom.
It's so nice. River overlook.
We got more to go, hon. We gotta keep going.
Okay, keep going.
Keep going.
Ang lakas ng tubig guys. Dito na kami sa boardwalk river.
Camino solo.
Where are we now?
El sol.
We are now in the
Cadenas sin
We're at the bottom.
control. Cada día es mi canción. Soy mi fuerza, mi razón. No necesito aprobación. Mi sonrisa es mi revolución. Cada paso vibra con pasión. Mi futuro en mis manos. Libre y feliz, vivo para mí. El mundo brilla cuando creo en mí. Amo mi vida, puedo decidir. La esperanza nunca va a morir. El viento canta en mi andar. Mi destino puedo dibujar. No hay barreras, solo soñar. Mi presente sabe brillar. No busco reglas ni perdón. Sigo el ritmo de mi corazón. Mi camino es celebración. La libertad es mi canción. Libre y feliz, vivo para mí. El mundo brilla cuando creo en mí. Amo mi vida, puedo decidir. La esperanza nunca va a morir. Soy suficiente, no necesito más. Cada instante me hace volar. Mi futuro está por comenzar con la luz que me guiará. Libre y feliz, vivo para mí. El mundo brilla cuando creo en mí. Amo mi vida, puedo decidir. La esperanza nunca va a morir.
We're on our way back up the hill. Look.
Yeah.
How
Pabalik
steep.
na po kami sa taas guys and nagugutom na rin ako. Are you hungry, hon?
Just a little bit, but we'll see towards the end.
Okay. Yeah. Kalakad muna pabalik. Narating na namin ang pinakababa ng lower park dito sa Snoqualmie Park, no? Yun lang. More on viewing dito, guys.
Hon,
Mas maganda pag pababa kasi hindi mahirap. Pag pabalik pala, ang bigat sa paa.
long ways up to go.
Yeah. picnic area.
The bird.
Wow,
It's a blue
it's a bird. Nice. I made a surprise for you, Han. Ha 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 ha. Let's eat. Maganda talaga magdala ng pagkain dahil ngayon, yun, tingnan mo yung husband ko. Pagod na pagod. Always prepare food and this is my surprise to you, Han.
Wow.
Rice, pancit,
Oh, good.
chicken. It's really good. Yan, kakatapos lang kasi namin mag-hike at yun nga ang sabi ko guys, tapos na namin napuntahan ang final lower part. Kaya ngayon, kakain muna kami ni Habi dahil nagugutom at nauuhaw na din ako. Kaya, yan, surprise ko sa husband ko. Hindi na namin kailangan magasto pa sa restaurant kasi mahal na at magastos. Kaya dito na lang kami kakain, makatipid pa. Diba? Yun lang po ang gawin niyo guys. Kapag mag-adventure kayo, magdala na lang kayo ng pagkain kung gusto niyo makatipid. Yeah. Yummy, Han?
Yummy.
Good. Kakamay lang po kami kasi nakalimutan namin ang pinidor at saka kutsara. Kaya, Filipino way.
You're crazy. Everybody. Hot. My wife's crazy for hot.
It's spicy. Oh no. Hello, Kapinay Girl! We're back. Tapos na nga kami ni Habi kumain at I think ready to go na po kami kasi nga papagod na din yung husband ko at busog na din siya sa aming dala na pagkain. At least may dala po kami at hindi na namin kailangan bumili pa. So honey, you ready to go?
I'm ready to go. Got everything all packed up.
Yes.
So we got all our things packed up. My wife cooked a great little lunch for this afternoon. Little snack. It was great. It was yummy. The chicken was, oh my God, to die for, guys.
Yeah.
She's the best cook.
Not really.
I think
Chicken
so.
is very easy.
Yummy.
Everyone knows how to cook a chicken.
But it's a great snack to end our adventure for today. So now we have to prepare ourselves for a long drive home. We're about an hour to an hour and a half away from our place that we live in Tacoma, Washington, from here.
Okay, so that's all for today, everybody, and see you next time in our video. And